Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your solar plant might be producing power every day, but the real question is, how efficiently? The key to answering that lies in one number, the performance ratio, or PR. In this episode, we'll uncover how sensor data makes PR truly meaningful, helping you measure, improve, and maximize your solar plant's performance. Performance ratio is the heart of performance analytics in solar operations. It compares your plant's actual AC energy output to the expected DC energy based on irradiance and temperature conditions. In simpler terms, PR shows how close your plant is to its theoretical maximum efficiency. Considering real-world influences like weather, losses, and system behavior, PR equals actual energy output divided by expected energy output. A performance ratio of 100% would mean your plant converts every bit of available sunlight perfectly into electricity, which is, honestly, impossible in practice. But a PR between 80% and 90%, that's a sign of a healthy, well-optimized system. Accurate PR depends entirely on accurate sensor data. Every number in that ratio, solar irradiance, panel temperature, and actual energy output comes from field sensors. Let's break it down. Irradiance sensors like pyranometers measure the sunlight hitting your panels. Temperature sensors track both ambient and module heat, which affects voltage and efficiency. Energy meters and inverter data record your plant's actual AC output. If any of these sensors drift or fail, your PR calculation becomes unreliable. That's why sensor calibration and validation are essential to keep your performance metrics trustworthy. Let's look at what causes PR to drop, and how sensors help identify these culprits. Soiling. Dust, pollen, or bird droppings block sunlight. Irradiance sensors detect when high sunlight doesn't match expected output, a red flag for soiling. Shading. Nearby trees, poles, or buildings can partially shade panels. Comparing irradiance data with inverter-level outputs helps pinpoint shaded zones. Temperature effects. High temperatures reduce voltage. Temperature sensors show when PR dips coincide with heat spikes, allowing you to adjust ventilation or cleaning schedules. Equipment degradation. Gradual output decline over months could mean module or inverter aging. Long-term sensor data trends reveal these patterns. By continuously analyzing sensor data, operators can turn invisible performance losses into actionable insights. Now that you know how performance ratio is calculated, let's talk about how technology really amplifies it. Modern solar plants are, increasingly AI and IoT driven, using thousands of sensors connected to centralized analytics platforms. These systems automatically compare sensor data with modeled expectations, using machine learning algorithms to detect patterns. For example, if a specific string consistently underperforms at the same irradiance level, AI flags it as a probable connection issue. Some analytics tools even simulate ideal conditions to calculate an adjusted performance ratio, isolating performance loss sources like heat, soiling, or inverter clipping. This makes the performance ratio not just a number, but a diagnostic tool for improvement. Let's take a real example. A 100-megawatt solar farm in Gujarat noticed its performance ratio dropping from 88% to 82% over 3 months. Sensor data revealed normal irradiance but elevated module temperatures and inverter load imbalance. Further inspection found blocked air filters in inverter stations and partial tracker misalignment. After maintenance, the plant's performance ratio rebounded to 90%, recovering nearly 12 lakh rupees per month in energy revenue.
Our sensors didn't just detect problems. They told us where to look and what to fix. Without them, we'd be chasing ghosts.
To keep your performance ratio consistently high, follow a smart sensor strategy. Calibrate regularly. Ensure irradiance and temperature sensors are recalibrated every 6 to 12 months. Cross-validate. Compare readings from multiple sensors in different zones to catch anomalies. Add redundancy. Use at least 2 pyranometers per site. One for reference, one for backup. Automate data validation. Deploy AI-driven data cleaning to remove outliers or faulty readings. Integrate with performance dashboards. Let your performance ratio updates trigger alerts so your maintenance teams act fast. By embedding sensor intelligence into your workflow, you're not just reacting to problems, you're anticipating them. Performance ratio isn't just a metric, it's your plant's report card. Sensors are the teachers providing every grade, every insight, and every opportunity to improve.
When your sensors speak accurately, your plant performs brilliantly. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.